So as I talked about how Westminster is one of the best positioned suburbs in all of Denver, in my opinion, to talk a little bit more in depth on this, Westminster is really that perfect position where it's wedged right between Denver and Boulder along Highway US 36. And this Highway 36, it was actually built back in the 1950s for that reason, just to connect Boulder and Denver. So it's been around for a while, but it is always continuing to also see improvements, and it's just a very efficient highway. It tends, in my opinion, to go a little bit quicker than I-25 or even I-70. So definitely a good choice if you are in Westminster and you're needing to get down to downtown Denver. If you are a big outdoors person and you're looking for suburbs that have a lot of accessibility, I mentioned how Westminster has great access to Stanley Lake. Stanley Lake is actually the Metro Denver's third largest reservoir, and it has some awesome views looking all the way out to the west, a little bit to the north to see Boulder and the Boulder Flatirons, but also you can look further down to the south and southwest and see Golden. So great views from Stanley Lake, and again, it's just a great location.